Here we have the LEM, the LEM Jerky Cannon, item number 468. We bought this on Amazon. You can get them in retail locations. This is what we're going to use to make the jerky that we started. So we don't do many unboxing videos, so this is I'm going to cut this open and we'll go through the contents real quick. I'm not a big ground jerky fan, but that's what Donald wanted, so that's what we're going to get for him here. So first you open up the box. It comes with a lot of packing. Take some of this packing out of here. First off, it starts out, you have your cannon. It's primarily a caulk gun, and just if you're familiar with using a caulk gun, that's kind of what this is. It comes with different tips on it. So you have a tip that you can make jerky with. So this is the jerky tip here. So you put it through here. You turn this, and we'll show when we're making it. So when you squeeze it out, it goes flat. So what you do is make sure your handle is pulled back. You load your meat here. They suggest you make the meat in smaller, like meatballs. That way they can go down the cannon. Just make sure that when you load this thing up, that everything's in there and it's packed tight. You don't want to have air. You're going along and you have an air bubble. It comes with a brush. So this is the brush that cleans this with. So it'll come apart here at the back. Comes apart. There's your plunger. Make sure all this stuff gets clean. When you're cleaning it, make sure it gets taken apart. And then when you're ready, you can put it back together again. These are kind of cool to have around. Like I said, it comes with different ends and tips. This one you can make like Slim Jims, sauce it, the sticks with this one here. So it's got a small hole. It comes with a couple seasoning packets. This one is hickory, and then it's the recipes and instructions are on the back for it. And this one is an original. We're not using these ones today. We, like I said, we bought those other ones, so we'll use those ones. It comes with the jerky cannon instructions. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's not rocket science. There's a warranty registration form and more packing. So once we get using this here today, we will we'll come back and show you again how to use it. But I just wanted to show you guys what we got here, where we got it. It's the LEM original jerky cannon.
Hey guys, hey, I just forgot to tell you guys, it's $39.99, so it's a $40 gun. So I thought it was pretty well worth it, but I wanted to come in and tell you guys at the end here how much we paid for it.